Greetings. My name is Roger C. Walker II, and I am a senior level student studying material science at the University of Pittsburgh. Today, I'll talk to you about the research project I did for the Summer Research Opportunity Program at the University of Michigan.
My project was titled Smooth Boundary Method Simulations for the Electrochemical Dynamics of Lithium Cobalt Oxide Cathode Microstructures, and I worked under Dr. Cathode Thornton of the Materials Science Department. The goal of this project was to simulate the electrochemical dynamics of a lithium-ion battery during both charge and discharge. In order to model this system, we need to model 5 elements of the system: the lithium-ion concentration in the cathode and electrolyte, the electrostatic potential in the cathode and electrolyte, and the reaction flux between surfaces. To solve for those 5 elements, we developed the 5 equations shown on the screen. However, battery microstructures are not made with a specific design in mind. Because battery cathodes are often made from powders, the resulting structure is often geometrically complex at the micro level, leaving it difficult to solve our system using the usual finite element methods. We decided, therefore, to use the smooth boundary method, which allows us to describe phases using a domain parameter, psi. A domain parameter for a phase is uniformly 1 inside a phase and uniformly 0 outside of it. The transition between 1 and 0 is taken at the surface, placing a sharp interface with a finitely thin interface. This allows us to rewrite our equations as shown on the screen. The equations for concentration and potential reduced to their original versions within bulk regions. The terms associated with the domain parameter are used to distribute applied boundary conditions across a diffuse surface. We are interested in knowing how changing input parameters to our simulations changes the resulting output. For that reason, I ran simulations over different microstructures. The microstructures we use are similar geometries designed to have approximately the same volume fraction and surface area to volume ratio as the experimental microstructure. They are a cylindrical array oriented in the y direction, a bicentric cubic structure, a face-centered cubic structure, and a simple cubic structure. Simulations are based in Fortran 90 code, and are run-on processes provided by the University of Michigan's Advanced Research Computing Facility. These simulations implemented a technique called parallelization, which allows the simulation to be split among several processors. Each processor runs part of the simulation, and communicates with processors that run adjacent parts. Each processor outputs data files at the end of each iteration of the simulation, and these are combined using another Fortran 90 program. A MATLAB script is used to translate them into images, and I use a second MATLAB script to compile the still images into a movie. The results for several microstructures will be shown following this slide.